So, and when a customer reaches out to you, and I'm assuming one of the first things they ask is to get a demo of the product, and you would then be demoing the product probably on Zoom, just like we're communicating now.
Mhm.
And what is it that you usually share in a product, a customer demo? Can you do that right now in a
Yeah,
few
of
minutes?
course.
Great.
So one of the things that I've mentioned a few times is that um, are you able to see my screen here?
Yeah, I am.
You're able to see the dashboard?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So one of the things that I really like about Enact and the thing that attracted me to this company is that it's just it's as easy as you need it to be, but as detailed as you want it to be. So we're not going to give you platform where it's just very whitewashed. It's easy to use, but it doesn't really, have the backing for it, doesn't have the numbers. We're not going to give you something that's super detailed, that's so hard to use you can't really figure it out like, other platforms that you have to use. And so
Mhm.
we've developed this feature in our settings where you have full control over the back end of our platform. It's yours. Do with it what you will. So I know that in my past, when working with an installer and they get a new deal with a new piece of hardware, tech, whatever, they have to send it over
Mhm.
to their dev team. The dev team has to get it uploaded. Sometimes there's a bug, it doesn't fit because whatever, right?
Yeah.
So we said, okay, that's kind of a pain. We're not going to do that. So as you can see here, we have over 21,368 different modules that are already loaded into our system.
Wow, these
All
are
you have to
different
do,
types of solar panels, right?
different
Modules.
types of
Yeah.
solar panels,
Yeah. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Solar
right?
modules. Yeah, got it.
Solar
Wow.
modules, manufacturers, different module types. So all
Yeah.
you have to go in is say, oh, we stopped selling Canada Solar.
Yeah.
Unclick Canada Solar, doesn't show up on any of your platforms.
Yeah.
We started selling Hanwha. It's
Yeah.
already in there.
Right.
All of the information is already pulled and put in there.
Mm-hmm.
So it's done and ready to go. Now, let's say that you signed a new deal or you're testing out a new hardware. It's a hemp solar panel, right? Let's just make something up.
Yeah.
And we don't have it in our platform. What do? Create module. You are able to just input all the data yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Takes
Mm-hmm.
about 10 seconds to do. You can upload the data sheet right here.
Yeah.
But if you don't have time to do that, if you're like, I don't, I got 10 other things on my plate, I don't want to do this, you can send an email to me or a customer success manager page. We'll upload it for you. It's super quick, super easy.
Wow.
Now, that's not just for modules, it's for our inverters. But if you look, we also have over 4,000 different types of inverters, both commercial and residential. Same with
Wow.
batteries, same with the different types of racking systems and with monitoring. So this is just the hardware aspect of this. Now we've implemented this across the whole range for Enact. So
Mm.
documents you can upload and you can actually even edit your own documents in Enact and get them ready for DocuSign. We have an open access with DocuSign, so you can use it. Comes included. It's all
Got it.
set, ready to go for you.
Yeah.
Financing, we have all the different financers, both commercial and residential. Same with incentives.
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
any incentive profile that you have, for example, we have a lot of customers in the East Coast where their incentives and SRACs and everything like that are a little bit crazy. That's
Mm-hmm.
already pushed in there. So you're up and ready to go. You just log in and you're set. Same
Got
with
it.
costing. You can create your own costing profiles, both commercial and residential.
Yeah.
And we also have storage. We're one of the very few platforms where people can just sell batteries. You don't have to sell PV, you can just sell batteries on here. Users, you can add, create, remove users. And we also have a backend workflow tool that's totally customizable to each customer. So you can change this, edit this, update this, remove things, add things, whatever you need to do. You can even do it on the fly if you want to.
These are
It's
the
very
various different steps that needs to be done in the process of in the journey of completing a solar system installation, essentially, right?
exactly. So it goes from lead, meaning you have
Mm-hmm.
an address and a name.
Mm-hmm.
That
Mm-hmm.
lead then becomes an opportunity. That
Mm-hmm.
opportunity then becomes an account, and that
Mm-hmm.
account then goes to install.
And
And
I
you can,
assume you can assign each one of these actions to different team members
yep.
inside your installation company. Yeah, got
So
it.
you can change the task owner.
Yeah.
You can send a customizable email notification to the customer. You can
Mm-hmm.
add documents, add activities, add alerts.
Yeah.
This is, I mean, this is totally yours. You can do whatever you want with it. And
Yeah.
all of this automatically ties in to your dashboard on the front page. So if you're a squad leader of about 8 people, you want to know where all of your stuff is and you don't want to go search through 8 people's stuff. All of your team members are right here. You can see all of their projects is, all
Mm-hmm.
of the leads that they have, the lead sources, where they're coming from. If you have a CRM, you can tie it
Mm-hmm.
into ours, or you can use the one that we already have tied in
Mm-hmm.
and you can track referrals. So
Yeah.
everything works together to make it as simple and easy as possible for you to sell more solar and grow your business.
When you say we or our CRM that is already tied in, is that your own CRM platform within Enact, Enact's own CRM, or is that another like Zoho or Salesforce,
So it's
.com?
actually Zoho. So
Oh,
Zoho and Enact have been partnered since the beginning,
okay,
and
got it. Yeah,
we already have them tied into our platform. So all you have to
understood.
do is say, "Hey, we don't have a CRM. We need one." Great, we'll get you set up with Zoho. Zoho has call tracking, marketing campaigns, email drip campaigns,
Yeah,
status workflow. Um,
all
you
that.
can do
Yeah,
a mass upload of all your accounts. It'll put everything in there for you, and then it'll push everything to Enact.
great, great. Well, thank you very much for all this detail, Joe.
Yeah,
This
of
is
course.
great.